Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened USD currency pair. We will start trading from the next candle. Here, if you observe overall chart, what did you notice? Let me take trade first, later I will explain you clearly. Okay. First of all, here I am going with buyers. Okay, why? Here if you notice one thing, previously market was in a zone which was, I have plotted a area where the market is moving in a sideways. As of now, if you check those particular levels just now and recently, the market has been breakout and which has been retested, and again market is trying to go up. In the left side I have seen there are no levels, and I will show you also. Here if you notice the continuously 3 buyers, which indicates you a momentum sign. So easily you can go with buyers here. So that's the reason, and you can understand the overall chart here. Previously there was a momentum. In between you got only one retracement which was retested the previous level, and again the buyers have been entered. So what do you expect? Yes, you can again go with buyers. So when you check the levels, when you check the patterns, it all indicating only go with buyers itself. So easily you can go with buying candle. And one more thing I have mentioned in the so many videos, up to the red candle I will follow only the momentum only. Why? Because there are no levels at all in the left side. So I should and I can easily go with buyers only. Whenever if you get this kind of market after breakout, it is getting continued, means try to follow the momentum, because maximum market whenever it will break a major levels, it will easily try to follow. See here if you check in the left side, I don't have any kind of area or a level. So up to a red candle I will only go with buyers. And one more thing, if possible maximum try to take with margin of safety, because sometimes in between what you will get a retracements, so which means a weak candles. So easily you can win if you have a margin of safety. Otherwise you should check there whether there is any strong level in the left side. So up to then we will only continue with the buying candle only. In the end I will show you my history also. Try to check up to the end, because these kind of momentum type charts will be rare, because maybe whenever you are trading, maybe you won't get these kind of charts, because these make the trading simple, because we no need to find any levels in the left side, because there is a large area where there are no levels. So up to then you can easily go with buyers. And here again I am going with buyers. Why? Because maybe as I said before, up to a red candle I will only go with buyers only. So whenever you get these kind of opportunities, try to follow the buying candle only. Okay. So if you really like my content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos. Okay. Regarding trading, if you have any doubts, without any hesitations, try to ask me, because if you won't ask, you won't get clarity about your doubts. Okay. Here we got finally win. Why? Because if you check from the down where the market has been started, continuously the buyers are getting stronger in the momentum. So these are all reasons which make sense to go with buyers only. So that's why only I'm going with buyers, and this candle also I have taken with buyers only. Why? Because you know the reasons. I am following only momentum. If a red candle comes, then we should think where is the wrong, whether after, even if it is a retracement, again the market will continue, nothing will happen. And one more thing, whenever you get a retracement, check whether there is a level or not. Check and get clarity about that particular level. Okay. Here if you notice, again we are win. Okay, so what is the next candle now? Yeah, as of now, maybe there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 candles. Let's see. I'm going with buyers itself, but let's see what will happen. Why? Because in this binary market, 8 candles are a larger candles, more candles. So let's see. Maybe this candle or next candle, the sellers will easily enter, and it will definitely make a retracement itself. Why? Because previous also happened the same thing. So in these considerations, I have mentioned this time. Maybe now there is a seller's entry, but I have taken margin of safety. Let's see what will happen. Even if it is loss also, we will check the levels and we will try to recover it. It's not a big deal. But as of now, you should focus how the really momentum works. If the market is in momentum, how to behave. Okay. See, here I think this will be a selling candle. Okay. Finally, we got a retracement. It's okay. Now, what is your mindset and what take trades? What is the next trade? Sorry. Okay. Here you should behave two things. Okay. One, you can add a trend line first of all, which there was a level, and yes, you can go with buyers. Second thing, overall market is making an U-turn and it is an uptrend. And third one is momentum, one candle retracement, again market will continue. So I have 3 points to go with only buyers. So I will go only with buyers. So you should check these all points and you should understand how the trend is where you are at present. So regarding this, if you analyze the market, you can get easy trades. Okay. Can you guess what is the next candle? Here, one more thing I want to mention. After momentum maximum here, one candle we need confirmation to go with buyers again. So here maybe the market may move sideways or red green pattern. These kind of things only happen. Try to check these points. So easily I will go with buyers, but I need a margin of safety. Maybe here I have a doubt because previous it was a retest and going, but here I don't have any level. Maybe it could be a sideways for 5 minutes at least. Later market will continue with the support of a strong level. Let's see what will happen. That's why I have taken margin of safety first of all. Even if it is a sideways market, it will move in the sideways only. So weak candle may appear. So that's why reason only I'm going with buyers. If this is a buying candle, I can continue with the buyers only. Maybe the market may go far in the up, maybe next level, but sometimes market may move sideways. These kind of situations I have noticed so many times. So that's the reason only I'm doubt at this point of trade. See, finally we got red. So as of now, we are following green, red pattern. So what is the next candle? Easily you can go with green. So you should check these points whenever you are trading. Why I have doubt means previously there was a trend line, but it was rejected from the recent resistance area. So that's why only I have a doubt in this candle, because the trend line which was started, every time it has a momentum, but as of now if you check the candle, it is a weak candle and rejection from the sellers area. The line which I have plotted horizontal is the resistance, and I am talking about the trend line. So that's why I have a doubt here. So that's why I mentioned this point before itself. Okay, can you guess what is the next candle now? Yes, here we have a pattern as I mentioned, and we should only follow that particular pattern, which is green red pattern. So I will easily continue with the selling candle only. So easily you can win here. So whenever you are trading, just try to check the levels first, later trade, because if you have the perfect levels, you can enter the trades very clarity and you can win easily also. Okay, I think I will take one more trade and I will close the session. Maybe now I have taken approximately 8 or 9 trades. Okay, in the last I will show you my history and I will close my session. Okay. See here, I have the market is coming from a resistance area. Already the trend line has been breakout. This is a strong candle. Here I have a 50-50 chances. Sometimes market will make a strong candle and make an downtrend. But here I have 50-50 chances. So I will try to go with sellers with margin of safety only. Maybe the pattern is working still, I don't know. But as of now, the market is coming from a resistance. And comparing to the previous candles, here the candle is big somewhat. So that's why I have a doubt here. So I am waiting for this. Otherwise, I could easily go with sellers only. But here I have a doubt. So that's why I am going with sellers. Otherwise, I will follow the red green pattern only. So these kind of situations, if you really don't understand these kind of situations, try to avoid, because previous trades we have clarity, but sometimes we have a 50-50 chances. So try to avoid or take with margin of safety, maximum how much it is possible. Okay, because it's our weak candle, so easily we can win. See, it is a buying candle, so still the pattern is on, I think. So I will go with sellers again. Or let's see what will happen. I will show you my history and I will close the session here. See, you can check my history. As of all, only one loss except all win. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Thank you.